Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. My name is Muhammad Asif. I am a student of Madrasa Sirajul Ulum Anau. I would like to thank you all for giving me the opportunity to talk about this proud day. Today we are celebrating our national festival. It is a special day for India. Long ago many brave men and women fought for our freedom. People like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, Bhagat Singh and many others fought for our freedom. They wanted us to live in an independent country when we can play loud and grow without fear. Finally, many years of hard struggle, India became an independent country. This year we are celebrating our 78th year of Independence Day. We are lucky to be born in an independent country. Let's be good citizens and make our I love my country. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.